Lahat kasi yan kalaban ko. Maway, at your age, 76, I hope I can also reach that age. Dahil malakas ka pa rin. Tsaka mukhang maganda ka pa rin lalo. Malagay ko, mayroong nagpapaganda sa'yo. Pero ganun pa man, Maway, I wish you will have more birthdays to come, and hopefully you will reach 95. Because you deserve it. You make our classmates and batchmates happy because every year you celebrate your birthday and invite them with good food and good environment. Well, they will go home very happy. Happy birthday again, Mare. Hopefully, we'll get invited next year again.
Thank you so much. That's our first volunteer from table number 2. Now, would there be anyone who would like to volunteer before I choose table numbers randomly, guys? Meron bang gustong mag-volunteer? Wala. Alright, so since wala po, ako po ay magsisimulang pumili ng mga magiging volunteer per table. And I'd like to start with our beautiful guest from this side. Let's have a volunteer from table number 9. The ladies and gent, sir, may we request a volunteer, a representative from this table? Yes, ma'am. Kayo din po ang tinuturo nila. Samahan niyo po ako dito. On behalf of your other friends, birthday wish po for Mommy Esther. Dito, Mami, tayo.
Ay, dito.
Dito na lang? Oo, shy daw siya. Sige, ma'am. Go ahead.
Jenny! Ano ba yan? Picture ba yan? Video. Video pala.
Happy birthday.
Ako ba?
Happy birthday, Nina.
Happy birthday, Nina! LB!
Thank you so much, ma'am. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our second volunteer. Now let's move on to our next table. So it seems that the ladies from this table are already done enjoying your lovely dinner. So who would it be? Who would